Hi, GC News. Mema Obibia Akwaba had the latest and hot news in Gua. And I'm the Bremo Anuti, so we are subscriber ya. Bomodia say over subscribe to the channel. No, the other say over click the subscribe button. Now our belly notification. When it's a new video, be on one first person I was I can yes I video. I feel we are one like video and give us a thumbs up. Nothing. Share my offer for so now. When you be here now, we will air call. Afi yembura ye sema beto ye konoso listowel or ye regular panelist on the political talk show where sema to gana yin listowel dey o media for the person for the chese wo tiro kokokoko bra unya wana wo fa wana huncho we na wakofa ye Gabby asare otchere da fe won sema beto ya wo chese say Gabby no woni no oye criminal oye jailbird chese wa kufi asiasa ba oye ex-convict wose won ti asese Ghana Bar Association kwa yamma ho kwan ma Gabby ko nya chambers e wo man we mu. Now let's do it. Sebebe to Ghana Akufo Addo. Yes, some random tentamara you could see in some way listowel. In some of the two Ghana here. After forcing me, attorney general of Federal Homes and Sammy and Akopiga Sansimu na aba. Inti a year listowel in some what it to get from Inti. Some of the cost.
Enye de piana. And what say ye dream say ye new being ya binti. You put you in a certain set where they don't belong. Me, I will never in my life agree with Gabby because I know he's a deviant, a criminal. I have names for him. A scammer, a film flammer. I have so many names that I can describe him. He's a criminal, he's a jailbird. Everyone knows him. Uko UK now. Yeah, come on, go jail because of criminality, sir. Gabby is one. I don't know how he became a lawyer because he didn't qualify. I still have my opinion as to why the Ghana Bar Association would allow for someone like Gabby to own a chambers in this country when I know him to be an ex-convict. Ex-convicts don't have to be ever. But this is Ghana Bar Association. You have the likes of Obiti say we cry or no cry no felony cry no wabe lawyer akwaye oto ma atwen rade anim my brain now so say Krabia father he is a lawyer. I mean who am I to blow against the wind? That's their own life and their living. But Kwabena Yaka law firm na ye body, for example, Akufo Addo law firm. I have had several cases to criticize them of. In fact, if opese kwaye nchikura, obi ti say Anas cases are yeah na fa say lawyer and judge aje your friend is saying bayere ama judgment waje sika waje koto waje even abuya omo de money judge timaje money ama judgment. I've had issues. Most of those cases came from that chambers, Akufo Addo chambers. But I know lawyers from that chambers that have distinguished themselves. In fact, in the last few years, me Ankasa, I have had to criticize my lawyer. It's not because I think, say, because I knew him to be good, he has always been good. No, a human. Human beings, we can turn as and when we think we should. Because that is how God created us. What the Aremeyaw Anas now, Kwabena, obekai Travgura, Demio Asem, Akufo Addo ne wo faase nimpon. Ena judgment debt bi kotia yen ewo UK. Arbitration mu 172 million pounds against Ghana, all because Akufo Addo nua bomti Akufo Addo onu ne yire any Damion omu deal bi. I don't want to go further. I can do, but sometimes I just let some privacy remain. Privacy of what? Me kwaje dine. A diner if asase enya dine cry asase even though na dine bis asase na fa ma enu nti Akufo Addo nua no wa fa Damion ho tan.
You may be losing track of
Damion meba oh sometimes forget about your thinking. Me thinking is different.
No, we are discussing about
me give you another example. Damion Trafgura who asema ene ama yedeka $172 million no. It's because Akufo Addo nua bomti Akufo Addo ono ayire any Damion wa asɛmti no IPP conference independent power producers company ono ye no ya ma na anya adwuma na awie na aban ne se watwa contract ni waboka ka oboye no enu nti ene ye de ka £172 million. Akufo Addo wo fa asene Damion. I've heard so many people discuss it to me say because of ne wo fa asene no o ma say that judgment debt, which is not the case. Damion is not even in talking terms with Akufo Addo, not even with his brother. He is aggrieved. Wako court warini case against Ghana over who ni nyoma ni wafano nyoma omo yeti a Ghana nti and o court warini case anya se ni wafanti wase da court to win the case because ono or in cahoot or in agreement with no wafano say yes said anya we ni enko win case. No, it is not the case. Damion is not in talking terms with New Ofanum because they abrogated his contract. He has won a case in the UK. Godfred Odame, yes, went me uncle because he doesn't know the law. He cannot know the judges. Damion won the case over us, $172 million pounds. And you cannot say because Gabby knows inside out of this government, he has won a case over Ghana to claim money when he has been obia warini. Your friend is saying when so DFE, the abrogation of contract between Ghana and West Blues and Ghana and GC Net. GC Net has not gone to take Gabby's firm as their lawyer. It's not the case. GC Net is in court.
I don't know about that.
They are in court.
Since when?
They have been in court since COVID time now. They have been in court. Papa Nekura GC Net or yeah in Wewu.
No, it's not the owner. The owner is there.
Yes, the owner is there. But I'm saying Papa no you're in charge.
He was a GM.
No near Obororo.
He was GM. He was in Obororo.
General manager Wewu. Darko.
But the owner is there.
And I make say one no crown now no odimu tintiman Wewu. I'm just giving you information.
But you know that
Mr. Darko, Enya Darko.
Darko was married to Alan's sister.
Alan's sister, Wewu.
Alan who cancelled the contract.
Alan is the one that cancelled the contract. Yes. But Wewu, but they are in court over judgment debt. Kwabena, I'm trying to mean that judgment debt naba. Let us look at a quiet fast for judgment debt nebai. Oh, Charlie, sometimes you guys you make me look as if say no. Why did we have judgment debt of Wyoming? Why are we not looking at the entire judgment debt I found Wyoming?
That's my term the judgment debt by personal interest.
Personal interest. You see, that kills the ball.
No, hold on.
It kills it.
No, hold on. Two. Still, we come back to the two faces of the matter. One has to do with if we want to go into details of West Blue Consult, GC Net, ICOMS, a whole conversation on its own. Okay, so
this judgment death is in the news, and we picked it as a flash commentary. Now, Obia or Ghana bien him say a choir omofaso a cha West Blue consort. A contracting was wrong. Everybody. Nobody has contested. Minty will be a biada. Then everybody is aware. Say, you'll be Dampare, you go to court, and they have gone to court. They have won. Now, two school of thoughts.
Baby, we are person can't say me.
Yeah.
When him say, per huntos analysis. Yeah, say. Omoni mama na crash that nasi. Yes, Val. Mensah say that nasi say. Ye new ye di we say ye be gu adwuma no. Na ye wia. Get me pacho. As me pacho. Won talk asa me na mti ase o.
Pacho, let me
hello. Wona wo ti ase.
Me man ti ase ne say. Won to person chere say. Ma me na
e wo won ti ase.
Pacho, am I speaking someone's
no, hold on.
Obi adwene na mitiri mo.
Hold on.
Me ma adwene na.
We dey tell me bi sasa ya wo. Ye twa dey was near connect topic. The point is say, when we so obi kasa wo ti ase na wo tell say dey o ti ase. He has seen the story. And on also can maybe a sim no or said was it said no. The way I dare no call no or GD pass a nipa be now come trouble no more dupi Ghana.
And I miss
what is wrong with this?
Nipana or Madupu Ghana no.
So says a vano, so cause a vano and then for and a omo or GD so omo ISR. I mean value money di.
And I mean
your vacro your money di or Ghana.
Ebony di. Are edi pa. Any day,
so say you won't see Obi Asamoah. What say I won't see no. Also want to see.
Me is it? Charlie, Kwabena. I don't care. Now you baby I'm free back. Baby I'm free back. Masa, forget about baby I'm free back. You see, I'm always here. Ukraine I cannot let people be skewing things in their way. I will also skew things in my way. Me, I'm for the Republic. Who you may be for yourself. I want to mean that, like you mentioned. Like you mentioned, me from the very get-go, I have been part of the Akoto, and I'm able to say, it's not trying to mean that Valentina Minta, she has been part of the collapse of Onwa Nejuma.
No, they was a great loot and said, you're part of it, Anna.
No. Analysis.
Am I thinking
analysis? No. Well, I know. As my mechanic say, nobody has said, say, where's blue? Or you're wrong. Or you're incompetent and internet terminated.
Anyway, when you said Gabby, I
never said that. What I said was that they create loot and share. Now, may link now, can say. Gabby as otchere darko, a part of this government. This government
as what?
As a de facto prime minister.
Yes, that we all know.
We're a part of this government, and this government interest that same Gabby or more interest. And
because we're aligned. That is the word.
No, maybe. But what is?
Or you're aligned. On your part because
use that line. By me, they may so a part.
That's
what it is. The government advise government at the time that look, when you abrogate this contract, you should be prepared for.
Yes, and to create you should be prepared for future judgment. This government and a terminating contract no wrongfully. Now me very sure say Gabby can one more advice a moon terminate. I know my terminate. Omo terminate ya no nipa na on the rifle air contractor no. Wako court. Oko court no. Enu asabe ha wo air Gabby wo do fem. Ah watua wo ka. Am wo nya sika ni bia wo di bi hye wa no pipiripim wadie wo ya benefactor wa benefactor. Say Say my van or can I say no? So or can be the car. Says Anna, what be your dear?
Let's move on.
You're waiting for winning and somewhere here. Listowel and poku edit to the Gabby Huns and Sammy. Because this is so at our hello. Say we now subscribe ya. Or more than say over subscribe no like it. Now feel so wa share video no ama ofufo enyebi Afriyie da wo bi akoso e wo Ghana memoha. Also betimi achere wa Gyamfi and so we now e wo comment box ni. Mo beti minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.